Hi, I'm Seng. So today I will teach you how to set the auto bundling for the a la carte order into the combo. First, go to the App Store and then go to search and you search Genius POS. Okay, make sure you update first and then to the latest version, which is 1.470. So after that, go to the Genius POS and then go to the setting. So make sure you have the combo set, which is like this, the combo set or mix and match. For example, if you don't know how to set the combo, please refer to the description or refer to my previous tutorial video, which is the combo meal. Then go to the print option, then go to the kitchen. Make sure that the categorized printing is turned off, then save. Okay, then go to the combo arrangement, make sure you turn on and then you click save. So in here, turn on enable auto bundling of a la carte order into the combo. Okay, let's size check. So normally I got a McDonald's mix and match, which is the left side plus the right side. So for example, bubur ayam and tea and add, normally it will be like this. Okay, so if you turn on the combo set, then you click with, for example, the bricky and the char kway, you automatically match already. Okay, next example, you go to the fine dining set. Okay, normally my fine dining set is include the appetizer, which is a salad, the soup, dessert, 3 selection and choose one for the main course. For example, it will be like this. So if you turn on the auto combo arrangement, click salad, soup, ice cream and one more, the beef, automatic will bundle into the combo. That's all for today. Thank you.